If you like this video and want to see more, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell to be alerted when new videos go live. So we're here at Cafe Orleans and we just got our drinks. And she got a Follow the Sun Blonde Ale. And I got the Bayou Punch. It's Minute Maid Lemonade, zero sugar, orange juice, strawberry puree, blueberry syrup, and an alligator-shaped gummy at the top.
That looks more like a shark.
Yeah, well, maybe it's a shark.
It's a shark.
Who knows? Maybe the shark ate the alligator. We don't know. But it has a gummy at the top. And it looks good. This one's a non-alcoholic one. It was like $8.50. And hers is $10.75. So our dinner came and she got the winter squash and farro risotto as toasted seeds and herbs with pumpkin seed oil. And I got what I always get. It's a battered and fried Monte Cristo sandwich, sliced turkey, ham, and Swiss with seasonal preserves and a choice of fries or salad. And I got the salad today. I've already had fries, so we're gonna eat some greens. After dinner, we have transformed to nighttime. The idea is we want to show you what the parade looks like in the daytime compared to nighttime, so you can see which version you may want to go watch. So we'll probably just show you snippets of the nighttime along with the daytime so you can see the differences and see what you like to see and decide for yourself, or go to both, whatever you want to do.
Don't you just love them all? Better watch out. Santa Claus is coming to town. Make sure the cookies are out and in position.
On behalf of Disneyland and the North Pole, we wish you a very Merry Christmas and a grand and glorious New Year. Do you believe in the magic of Christmas? You do? Good! Merry Christmas to all!
We'd promised to show you the tree lit up at night, and here it is. And then we'll pan over to Main Street as well, with the castle in the background. Looks pretty awesome. Then we'll go back to the tree one more time.
I would say you and I go. Are you one of the girls?
So this is the Wintertime Enchantment. It's about to start in just a few minutes, and it's where it snows on Main Street, and they have a bunch of cool things that happen. So we're gonna try to bring it to you and show you the event, possibly from a couple different views and a couple different ways, but we'll see how it goes. And it's gonna start here shortly, so we'll see it after. And then after this, we're gonna go to the World of Color, and I'll explain that in a little bit, but that's gonna be one of our last things for the night. So we will see you soon.
Lots of syrup and icicles and that. Well, just keep dreaming, because dreams really do come true. But I love it when dreams come true, and I especially want this one to come true. Most of all. Well, keep on dreaming and believing, and you may be surprised.
Disney California Adventure for our last stop of the night, and we are watching the World of Color
Season of Light.
Season of Light. So we're gonna watch that show. We're sitting towards the middle, so we're gonna try that out and see if that's a good viewing angle. It looks like it will be, but I've only ever been in the blue viewing area. In that viewing area, you can get sprayed if you're close to the waterfront, but we'll check this out And then this should be one of the last things for the night, unless we find another surprise. But we'll check this out and let you know what we think of it. Before this, I've only seen the World of Color 1, which I really loved. That was a great show. But we'll see how this one compares. Alright guys, we're back over on the Disneyland side, and we did catch a special treat for you on the way. We're going to show you the video here. Hey guys, Future Cam here. We mentioned you would see fireworks earlier. We couldn't make it in time after the World of Color show, and they were canceled the following day. But we did catch this on our way back to Disneyland Park. And so it turns out, if you stand by the fountain in DCA, right in the Central Plaza there, it lines up perfectly with Sleeping Beauty Castle at Disneyland. And it's quite a spectacle just to see from there with all the lights in DCA and the fountain and then the fireworks above. So
Oh yeah, that was fun.
if you ever caught over there during Disneyland fireworks right around 9:30, we suggest just hanging out for 10 minutes right in front of that fountain. It's really cool and fun to see, as you guys just saw. We promised you a small world and to see the lights, and so we are here. And it's pretty blurry and out of focus right now, but I will take some video and pipe it in right now. And we may have caught the pre-show too as well. Not the pre-show, but the show that happens every hour. So we will probably show little parts of that here, just so you can see that. But it's pretty glorious, guys. You cannot believe that they do this spectacle every year. It looks awesome. We love it. guys remember that line for Pirates of the Caribbean that went on for miles and miles earlier? So what you need to do is just stay at the park until 11 o'clock, and you can't walk on fast enough to this ride. It is a 2-second wait. So yeah, you can wait 64 hours or 2 seconds. But yeah, in all reality, it is late at the park, so a lot of people want to go home and don't want to stay here this late. But the key is, if you do want to do a bunch of rides, just to plan accordingly and to save certain rides for the end, such as this ride right here. This would be a major ride to save for the end, but there are a lot more that are this way too. This is just a big one. So again, no wait, walk right on, Pirates of the Caribbean. Wow, what a day. We are out in Esplanade right now, calling it a night, but we forgot we didn't give you our take on the new World of Color show.
Season of Light.
So we need to do that first.
It was amazing. The projections were really cool. The music, perfect for the holidays. But the highlight of the show was the
Trans-Siberian Orchestra. When that came on with their song Wizards of Winter, and it was done to like Goofy, it was awesome. That put it over World of Color 1 for me. At first I thought World of Color 1 was gonna win it for me, but that took the cake. So.
And then the lighting that coordinated with the Incredicoaster and Mickey's Ferris wheel was awesome. That just added to the lights and the projections in the water. It was awesome.
But all in all, it was a great day, busy day. We are exhausted, we are tired, but we are thankful for it. And I guess it's just time to call it a night. And remember, life moves pretty fast. Take a mouse break.